I think the do's and don'ts is you never want to like put a strap on like a sway bar, panner bar, anything that would be bending. You always want to look for if you're hooking under the car. There's always like gaps in the K member. Hook onto that, or loop over a control arm, but close to the K member. That's if you're going under the front. Now the problem we run into, a lot of our cars are low with splitters, which means that's impractical. Now you've got a tow hook. You can always use tow hooks and kind of triangulate the tow hooks. But the other thing that I do, because we always use really high quality wheels, like Forge Line and Apex, I actually use the spokes of the wheels. We kind of do like an axle strap, go around like a couple spokes, hook on. That way we're coming around the side or the front, so we're not kind of screwing up the splitter. And then the back is you have to get on the axle, but you can't be in a spot that pulls on the panner bar or sway bar. Of course, our S197s don't run under a sway bar because the suspension's so good. But that's the kind of thing you need to hook onto something solid. And probably the best there's some tie downs. Actually, there's a thing that goes over the tire, just goes over the top of the tire and ratchets down. That would be good too, because then you're not going to screw up any of your body stuff. So there's a number of good ways. The what not to do is anything that is soft or can bend.